Hey, third graders, you are awesome. Today is April 1st, 2020. It's Wednesday, and it is our last few days of our character studies unit. We have learned so much about characters, haven't we? Today, for your final assessment for this unit, you are going to go into Google Classroom. Well, you're already there. And you're going to re-watch the video of Julius, the baby of the world. Then you're going to go back into Google Classroom and use the assignment, the post assessment that I posted for you on Julius, the baby of the world. There are 3 questions. The first question has to do with what kind of character is Lily and how do you know this? Now, I've given you a box of possible traits that you could choose from if you would like. Choose 1 or 2 traits, but don't forget to not only tell me what kind of character is Lily, but give me your reasons, your magical because. After you do question 1, you can choose to stop working on the assessment for today, or you could continue. I am asking that you do 1 question each day. So this is for Wednesday, question 1, Thursday, question 2, Friday, question 3. I do expect you, though, to have the assessment done on Friday by the end of the school day, which our regular school day would be at 3:43. So if you would be able to have this finished by 5 o'clock at night, because we're doing virtual school, that would be great. So let's take a look at question 2. That would be asking you to reread the following portion of the story. And this particular part talks about when Lily began to change. And it asks you to read a portion that begins like this. Lily's nose twitched, her eyes narrowed, her fur stood on end, and her tail quivered. You're talking about my brother, said Lily. And for your information, his nose is shiny, his eyes are sparkly, and his fur smells like perfume. Cousin Garland was speechless. Okay, so in your response, I am asking you to write about how did Lily change and what caused her change. Okay, so again, I'm asking you to write long and strong. And boys and girls, make sure on these responses that you are rereading what you wrote. The final question is all about lessons that the character might learn. And I'm asking you for that final question, what is an important lesson that Lily has learned in this story? And I want you to support your answer once again with evidence from the story, okay? So write about a life lesson that Lily has learned and then explain how a part of the story shows this lesson. And I even have put all of the answers inside boxes. You just simply type right inside those boxes, boys and girls. All right, so those are 3 questions that you're going to answer to show all that you know about character studies. Don't forget to share it with me when you're done, boys and girls. I know you'll do well. You've learned so much in this unit. Now, if you need help at any time as you are taking this assessment, please feel free to reach out to me through email, and I would be happy to meet with you in Google Hangouts if you'd like to have some extra help on this. Have a wonderful day, boys and girls. Happy reading.